Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel Spotify Premium. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are planning to cancel your Spotify Premium, you need to simply go to your web browser and log in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account from your web browser, you can simply go and tap on your profile, and there you can simply find like manage your subscription. So once you tap on manage your subscription, if you have joined in any of the subscription like premium or any further options of subscription, then you can simply find the your change your plan option. So here you can simply scroll and cancel the plan and confirm it. The service remains active until the next billing date, after which it reverts to the free ad supported tier. So this is how you can simply cancel your Spotify Premium. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.